Road Trips 09 presents Must Watch for Budget Travel Enthusiasts. Discover the top 5 wallet-friendly destinations. First stop, Vietnam. Stunning landscapes, mouth-watering street food, and all for just a few bucks a day. You won't believe the value. Next, head over to Portugal. Picture perfect coastlines and charming cities without breaking the bank. Perfect for beach lovers and history buffs alike. Third on the list, Mexico. Beaches, tacos, and ancient ruins. All at prices that will make your wallet smile. Don't miss out on the vibrant culture and festivities. Number 4 is Hungary. Gorgeous architecture, thermal baths, and budget-friendly living. Budapest is a must-see. And last but not least, Indonesia. From Bali's beaches to Java's volcanoes, adventure awaits without the hefty price tag. Perfect for thrill seekers and relaxation fans alike. So there you have it. 5 amazing countries you can explore without emptying your pockets. Ready to plan your next trip? Like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite budget destination. Safe travels!